Today I'm taking the MAIWO dual bay cloning station. So there is the dock. Target is on the bottom, source is on the top. We also got 25, 50, 75, and 100%. So we know the stage we're at in the clone. This one actually has two flaps, which is kind of unusual. Usually it's just one, and then it has an opening here for the SATA. But this is actually better because that's going to protect the port from getting any dust or anything inside of there. So I really like that they did that. We got our clone button there at the bottom. This one actually has 3 USB-A ports on it. So we can actually use this not only as a dock, but also as a way of plugging in other peripherals. In the back, we got our USB connection for connecting to the computer. We got our on-off switch, and we got our power port. Here we got our power supply. It says it's good for 100 to 240 volts. That's good for international or domestic. It outputs 3 amps at 12 volts. And we got our cable for connecting it to the computer. So the target needs to be the same size or larger than the source. And turn it on. So we got our power lights. We know the thing is on, and it is reading both hard drive 1 and hard drive 2. I'm going to press and hold for 5 seconds. And then press again. So we are currently cloning. My laptop uses USB-C, so I'm going to plug that into an adapter and plug that into the laptop. And it did pick that up right away. And we can play those files. So, right now on my computer, I'm only seeing the one hard drive, and that is because there is an exact clone, so it cannot have 2 of the exact same hard drive. So, right-click, go to Disk Management, and then right here we can see that new hard drive. Now, it is reading it as 465.75 gigabytes, and that's because it made an exact clone of the original hard drive, even though this is a 1 terabyte. So, I'm going to turn this drive on. And then I will extend the volume. Okay, so now we got that full 1 terabyte back. So now I have both my hard drives. And I have all the files copied to that second drive. So that's excellent. If you got a bunch of hard drives laying around, you want to have a spot where you can plug them in and find out what's on them. Or if you want to be able to completely duplicate one drive to another, this is going to be the dock to do that. That is very cool.